Hello. In today's Kashmir episode 2, we are going to see about Tal Lake in Srinagar and a boat house on this lake and shikara ride on this Dal Lake. For those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click on the nearest bell icon. This Dal Lake has many special names. Lake of Flowers, Jewel in the crown of Kashmir, Srinagar Jewel. The most famous lake is also the largest commercial hub for the state of Srinagar and Kashmir. The lake is 7.5 km long and 3.5 km wide and is one of the largest lakes in the state of Kashmir. There are several hundred boathouses on this lake to accommodate the tourists visiting Kashmir. The lake is about 6 meters deep and is surrounded by rolling hills. It is very beautiful to see these snow covered mountains in winters. This lake freezes ice in winters. Children enjoy playing cricket on Dal Lake. Thousands of homes on Dal Lake will be floating houses. Thousands more people use the lake daily for daily needs such as going to college, going to places of business, and so on. The lake is rich in flowers. The lake flowers business is also a big business here. Police boats often patrol the lake for the safety of the people. There will be so much peace of mind as we travel this lake on our journey. The beauty and scenery here will captivate our eyes and soul to the extent that our hearts will be flourished. Fishing is also a major occupation in the lake. There is no other place in India like this lake as it is a very beautiful one on different lake. The boathouse can be found in two places in India, Alappuzha in Kerala and Srinagar in Kashmir. But the boathouse in Kerala is more different from the boathouse in Kashmir. The river Jhelum flows through the lake and the waste does not stay in the lake. The people here have separate boat for each to go on this lake. If you take the boathouse here, there are many boathouses in Dal Lake in Srinagar. All these boathouses are very beautiful. Generally, all boathouses having a living room, a main hall, a dining hall, and a nice washroom inside. There will be a device with a system like a boiler to keep our body warm. It is found all over the boat. It would have been so beautifully and wonderfully arranged for us to sit together and enjoy group discussion, especially in those places. They greet us and give warm welcome to enter boathouse. We can only go to boathouse, which is this big boat, by going on this small boat called shikara to get in to the boat in some places. Kawa tea is very popular in Kashmir. Only 3 people per room are allowed to stay. The opportunity for each of us to stay in this boathouse will be one of the most memorable in our lifetime. We can enjoy the view of the sun rising in the morning and the sun setting in the evening from this lake. In the summer, the sun probably set at 8 p.m. But this is so beautiful to look at the mind blowing. With a small boat called shikara, we can sit in the same boat with 2 or 3 people and get around this Dal Lake in Srinagar. There is a separate charge for this, but we must do this. Then only we can enjoy the beauty of this lake. In some places in the middle of this lake, we can see vegetable gardens along the lake. Many more scenery can see, many more facts. The vegetable market all takes place in the boat. There are floating hotels in the middle of the lake. There are still textiles and all shopping centers inside the lakes. Traveling the Shikara will give us comfortable solo experience. The Shikara is a unique thrill for our family members of ours to travel and explore the natural beauty together. We can also see that it has the largest building on this lake. Again, we can see the vegetable floating market in this lake. Such a vegetable floating market cannot be admired by us anywhere in the world. In fact, even in Venice, there is no such thing as a floating market. Such a beautiful market. This is the floating market in Dal Lake. Everyone comes to this area to market their produce. All vegetables and all commodities and daily necessities are marketed in this market. The women alone bring their homegrown flowers, products and vegetables directly to the area and market them. Usually during the 1 hour stay at this boathouse, we will be allowed to go shikara for free. But this 1 hour is not enough for us. So we have to spend extra money, and in this shikara we must travel for at least 3 hours. The vegetables, fruits, greens and all the other fruits that grow here are very refreshing to look at. And we look forward to seeing you again in Kashmir episode 3 about the tourist attractions in Srinagar. For those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon nearby to find out more about the various attractions in the coming days. Thank you.